to the channel Universe, chosen ones, divine light beings, God and goddesses. Modern living is tough. It can be exhausting, frustrating, and soul destroying, spirit destroying, all at once, and that can be on a good day. Along the way, all too easily, we can lose our sense of self. Who am I when I am not a parent? When I am not a friend or a worker? Do you have any idea anymore? When it all gets on top of us, when we no longer recognize or like the person in the mirror, this is when we need a way to rejuvenate from within, increasing our spiritual connection with nature as our ancient tribal ancestors did, can be the vital tonic we need. Here are 5 ways to increase your spiritual connection to the natural world planet that can help revive and recenter you. 1. Walk among the plants and animals. Go for a walk in nature, park or nature reserve, and imagine all the trees, plants, and animals are inhabited with spirits, kin, and the natural. Instead of just looking at them, try to feel their presence. Feel what it might be like to be them. Like all majestic, patient, and wise trees. The soaring, all-seeing eagle, or the flightly, almost nervous small bird. 2. Imagine the earth as a great spirit. Notice how the earth grows and nurtures so much of all that becomes part of it. What would it feel like to be the motherly spirit? Feel the presence of the rocks, earth, mountains, streams, and lakes. Don't just gaze upon them. Let yourself feel what they are like in their parts and as a whole. 3. Feel the spirits of the sky. Feel its openness and its moods, its peace and its rage, and its calming, infinite nighttime beauty. Imagine a spirit in the dark clouds, rolling into give life, giving water to the planet. Imagine the spirit of the sun, giving warmth and light to us all. Notice how the spirit of the sky feels for you. 4. Notice the smaller spirits. What children, stars, planets, worlds, animals, plants, and people are part of the greater whole. Imagine all the smaller parts of life on this planet and all we notice in space, like child spirits combining as part of a greater whole. No one part greater than another. Each of us brothers and sisters of the same heart and spirit. Feel the spirits of kinship we share with each other and the entirety. 5. Notice spirits of your ancestors. feel them. In the heart of every child is a part of many people that came before them, like the spirits of every ancestor still residing inside of them. Notice this in them. Search and feel for it. Take the time to notice the same spirit of our ancient past inside of you. Are we really so different from them? Have our once shared basic desires for friendship, caring, and peace been lost? In our heart, we can find the spirits of people past and how they made us who we are today. Beings human beings once roamed the world and remained in close connection with nature. It helped define us and became an integral part of who we are. To help us make sense, understand spirits, we considered our equals. We didn't consider ourselves superior. The spirits became our brethren and helped us feel part of a greater whole. To be among the land and sea calmed us and gave us a sense of our greater self. In a logical and busy world, when we don't have time to think, let alone feel the connection with spirit in nature. Whether we believe they exist or not, they can help us find who we are, remind us of our place and priorities, and be a powerful and vital tonic. There is so much of life to embrace, explore. Connecting with spirits of nature can be our guide and our doorway to a better life. Have a peaceful and blissful day.